In this video, I'm going to be going over how to change date and time format in WordPress step by step. Changing the date format and time format in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your date and time format changed and set in WordPress. Let's get started. I'm here in the WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Settings tab in the left side menu. Click General. Scroll down to where you see Date Format. Time format will be right underneath it. You can select and change the date format you'd like to use. The preview will show you the preview of how it will show. You can choose to do a custom date format if you'd like as well. For instructions on how to do this, click the documentation on date and time formatting link. Scroll down and you'll see all the different things based on what you are wanting. Scroll down to where you see the format string examples. You'll see different examples that you can use for the custom field. Let's say I want to use this one. I'll copy it and go back to WordPress and paste it in under custom. You'll see the preview now shows what I've copied and pasted. Underneath date format, you'll see time format. You can easily change the time format here. You can choose to do a custom time format if you'd like as well. You can click the documentation on date and time formatting link. The steps are the same for this as shown above for the date format. Select what you like for the date format and time format. Click the Save Changes button found at the bottom of the page. The date format and time format have successfully been changed and updated. That is how to change date format and time format in WordPress. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.